this piece to say, well, even this piece. You look at that, and that's got all kinds of grain pattern in there. Where's another one that I have? That's this guy was super solid. So here, if you look at this, now this has got a very straight hamon, but you see that distinctive line there, and see how even in width that is the whole way, all the way down there. It's a really good smith doing that. And if you take this and you tilt it, you got to get the light just right on it. You'll see all kinds of grain pattern in there, and they actually they call it Itami, Makome, and Masame.
Itami, Makome, Masame?
Yes.
Okay.
And basically that's, they're describing the grain of wood in a tree. So if you cut the tree lengthwise, you get a straight grain pattern, right? If you cut it totally horizontally, you get the rings of the tree. If you cut it at a diagonal, you get kind of a burl. And depending upon how they folded the steel, if they folded it the same way each time, you got a very linear grain pattern. If you folded it this way, and then you folded it this way, back and forth, you get more of the burl pattern. And the smiths knew that, and the different schools had different traditions in how they folded their steel. And so that's one of the ways that people that do kantai, who look at blades, they don't look at the name, if there's a name on it, but they look at the blade, and there are guys that can look at a blade, and by the blade alone tell you the year it was made, the school that it was made in, and a lot of them can tell you the smith that made it, because each one is like a fingerprint. They did them almost the same each time, and they had, and then if they changed, they would document how they changed their styles, and the books go into great detail.
They have books actually how, you can buy, I'm sure you can find them on the internet. They have books of like how specific individuals did their swords there.
Yeah, absolutely. So, there's tons of books out. It used to be they were all in Japanese, so it was very difficult. They've been, a guy, he was supposed to be